Don't come off, don't come off, don't come off. Oh, he came off. Bugger. Bugger. Oh well, there was a huge school of them. I should be able to catch another one pretty easily. Oh, just as I looked away, got another one on. Don't want to end up in that either. Oh, he's even a touch smaller. Perfect for a live bait. Oh my days, there is a huge school of them underneath me. Wow. Alright, live bait number 2. He's a little bit smaller, which is a good thing, I think. Makes him easier to tow around and easier for a fish to eat. It's been pretty quiet, but just where I've caught this live bait, there's well, there's a lot more life here, so I might just hang around this spot for a while, see if anything happens. We'll just tick up along that edge there. I reckon we're gonna get bit at some point. Coming up on that good tide too. Ah, live bait swum into the weeds again. Little rat. Come on, bro, out of the reef. Ah, gotcha. Little rascal. It's out of the reef. What the Great white! Great white! Great white shark! Cutting the live bait off. This, I'm out of here. Oh mate, get out of the rudder. Holy shit. Fuck me, there's a huge great white behind me. Fuck me. Fuck, he's following me. Me. Leave me alone.